right. When it says prove by induction, I have this man here, summation r, as r is equal to 1 raised to power n is equal to this one here. How do you possibly prove this one? Now listen up. The first example I've been doing so far, from number 1, 2, 3, 4, and etc. Observe that the question is always in a straight path, Abi. So now this one is not in a straight path, it's in a what? In a condensed path. Are you there? So let's draw the structure. Let me put it that way. So for the structure for this one now, listen. No. So for number 1 there, solution. For number 1, listen. I'm hearing that r. What's r? R is 1. That's the meaning. So we start with what? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot dot. What's this one here? N. Plus n equal to n into n plus 1 over 2. Instead. Huh? No. The thing that r is 1 now. So start with 1. After what's next? 2. What's next? 3. If we can even add 4 to it if you want to. But let me talk about 3 plus dot. What is this one here? N. That's your n here equal to this. So now at this point now, this becomes what we know usually. Abi? Summation. Summation means addition. So it means I'm adding 1 plus what? What's after now? What's next? 2 plus 3, and it continues that way. N. Yes, down here. Yes, now it can be anything. Listen up. If r is 2 now, that becomes 2 plus what? Plus 3 plus what? 4. No, it will be r plus 1. They're not put a square here. It means that you're having what? 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, like the other one I gave you now. Please. Yes. So now listen up. Let's solve this man. To solve this man here, we said we have 3 rules, Abi. What's the rule 1? N to be what? 1. So we said let n to be equal to what? Equal to 1, please. Let's reduce our noise, please. I'm doing a video, please. From here, we said check out your left hand side and what? Right hand side. For my left there, I have just only n, Abi. So left hand side, I have only what? N, Abi. That's n what? Just only n, Abi. And we said n is what? 1. I have 1 as my left hand side. Check your right hand side, please. What do you get there? N into n plus 1 over 2. Are you there? What's n? 1 into 1 plus 1 over 2. That's 1 into 2 over 2. That's 2 over 2. That is 1. Observe that this 1 and 1 is what I'm having here. Hence it's correct. Now at this point now, observe that my left hand side, which is this, which is 1, is equal to what? My right hand side. Proved. That's the first step, called the basic step. We said when it comes to solving any problem under induction, you have 3 rules there. What's the rule 1? Basic step. That's n is equal to 1. That's the first rule. I gave them in class before you come. We said there are 3 rules there. The first rule is what? N to be equal to 1. That's your basic rule. What's the rule 2? Let n to be what? K. That's what the induction rule. Abi? And third is what? Let n to be what? That's it. We said rule 1, n to be equal to 1. Rule 2, n to be what? K. That's assumed to be true, Abi. So the third one is what? K plus 1. So I've considered n to be equal to 1, Abi. What's the next rule there? Let n equal to what? K. Go back to your question. I'm having what there? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot plus what's that n now? K. Please. K equal to what? K into K plus 1 what there? Over 2. Alright. We said assume this one to be what? True. Are we there? Mind you, they are not the same, but what? Assume to be true. So I've done rule 1, I've done rule 2. What's next? Rule 3, Abi. We said let n to be what? K plus 1. That's where the issue comes in. We said for K plus 1, go back to this man, drop it down first. Abi? So how was there? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dot plus k. Abi, drop this one down first. When you are done, go back to your question. From here now, downward, Abi, that becomes n plus a plus sign. What's n there? K plus 1. True or false? True. Equal to k plus 1 as your n value, Abi, into a square bracket. Observe, oh, I didn't put plus here, oh. K now, n is what? K plus 1. Are you there? Plus 1. All over what there? All over 2. I'm here. Now listen up, listen up. At this point, note that we said from here now, down here is what? This one here, Abi. What's the value? This man. So I'll have that replace year to year as being equal to this. That because of the k into k plus 1 over what? 2. Mind you, this one is this, Abi. Let's reduce to plus what? K plus 1. I have this one here. Is now equal to, for this one, k plus 1 into what there? K plus 1 plus 1. True or false? Move the bracket. I have this one. Are you there? Yes. But I'm having 3 here now. I would like 3 to expand, Abi. If I'm having 3 here or something here, you have to expand the bracket first. But nothing, no, there's nothing here. Open it off. I have this one here. So all over what there? All over 2. Please. Invisible one is here. Someone went to go and listen up. Someone went to go and do this line like this. It's wrong, go. See, listen up. See, I'm having this one alone with this one. Oh, don't go and draw it like this. Oh, it's wrong. Oh, so I'm having what over invisible one here, right? What's my LCM here? 2. 2 in 2 is what? 1. 1 times this is what? K in, okay, perhaps k square plus what? K. Abi now? K times k. K square plus k times 1 is what? K. So plus 2k plus 2. Exactly. 2k plus 2. True or false? Listen up. 2 in 1 is 2. Put that 2 here. 2 times k, 2k. 2 times 1, 2. Are you there? Yes. So it's this becomes this. It's now equal to, from here I'll have what? K plus 1 into what there? K plus 2 over what? Over 2. Listen up. Oh wow, this one is in expansion form, Abi. I'm saying square, so I can get this, expand this one. That's the meaning. So I'll have what? K square plus 3k plus 2 over 2, Abi, is equal to what? K square plus 2k plus k plus 2. Abi now? Expansion, Abi, over 2. All right. Therefore, okay, let me come here. Wait. From here now, I'll have that k square plus 3k plus 2 over what? 2 is equal to what? K square plus 3k plus 2 over 2. Observe that my left hand side now equal to what? Right hand side. So this is what? D is correct. It's true, please. Copy down. It's always true. Listen up. Is it that question? Is it that this thing will always true all the time? For a level, it's always true. So lecturer will always give you correct equations to prove, right? But it's not really occur. They'll give you the wrong one. So it's correct. If they give you the wrong one, they don't stress you. That's the meaning. Look up now. From this very first crash one. When I add this one, my left as 1. Let's say right is now 2. So I'm having 1 and 2. I did the same thing. So I can't even apply this one and this one. So I'll stop there. So they don't want to stop there. They will always give you the correct one so I can stress yourself. Right there. That's it, please. Lesson number 2. I'm off, please. Let's do number 2 and our half, please. By the way, I will edit the video. About tomorrow, I'll drop the video to the group. I'll send it to someone. I'll send it to your group. Right? So, those are not here. We can learn online. You're whining me, Abby. You're whining me. All right. Let's do number 2 on our half, please. How many hours have I used in the class standing? I came here 9 something. Now this is 12. 10, 11, 12. Understand like this, Abby? Okay, I'm trying. I'll start using 6 hours. I'll start using 6 hours. Understand? But it's small. Understand like this. Like teaching 6 hours. No sitting. Shall we proceed? Let's do number 2. Let's do number 2, please. Lightning board. Lightning board. Please, this one will come out, please. This one, exactly this one will come out. But I promise you, don't worry. To shock you. This man will come out, oh. Please take note, oh. Those one we did, those 2 last examples we did will come out. The one I gave you, that last one I gave you for classwork, that one will come out. The one I saw for if I give classwork will come out. Please work on it. That classwork, maybe someone should, after class, someone should come outside the board and solve it together. So you guys will work on it together. Then you're off. So let's do number 2, please. Let's do number 2. Observe my explanation for this man, oh, please. Observe my explanation for this man, please. Oh, very important. All right, let's do number 2. Number 2 is not just a solving, it's just small solving there. We're off. Yes, it's not that much like that. Listen up. Listen up, please. They said, listen up. Oh. Prove by mathematical induction that 11 by n minus 1 is divisible by 120 for all n is an element of what? Natural number. That's the meaning, please. Now listen up. Listen up. Oh. The same rule applies here. What's the first task? Let n be what? 1. From here now, listen up. Listen up. Solution. First task. What's the equation there? I'm having 11 by n minus 1. Abi? My answer that we get now must be divisible by what? 120. So the rule 1 says what? Let n be what? 1, Abi? That's your basic step, Abi? Yeah. Just because what? 11 2 into 1, Abi? Minus 1. This gives 11 square minus 1. That's what? 121 minus 1. That's what? 120. Please, is 120 divisible by 120? Yes. Proof. That's the first rule. What's the second rule? We said let n be what? Let n be what? K. Abi now? From me now. Let n be what? K. Listen up. This is my question here, Abi. This one. What's your rule 1? Let n be 1, Abi. Put n as 1 here. I have 11 squared minus 1. What's 11 squared? 121 minus 1. That's what? 120. Ask yourself, is 120 divisible by 120? Yes, that's possible. So n is correct. Are we there? Yes. Proved. What second rule? We said let n be what? K. Are we now? Checking the board. So listen up. We said at this point now, you cannot kill this one. This one is not there. All right. Let n to be k, Abi. That becomes, listen up. Listen. 11 2k, Abi, minus 1, Abi. Now listen, is equal to, listen up. Listen up. For this one, I will include equal to what? 120 into m. Listen, why is it m? We said we're looking for what? They said that 11 by n minus 1 is what? Divisible by what? 120. So I mean that I'm looking for a number that be what? Divisible by what? 120. I use m to represent a number that can divide what? 120. That's the meaning. Are you with me now? For sake of this consideration, I've given an example like this one now to do as a homework. For the same procedure, your first task, one as one, you have your answer. That answer, tell yourself that can that answer be divisible by 120? Yes. 120, that's one now, is divisible. That's all. Rule 2 says n equal to k. Put n as k here. I have this one. But mind you, you put an equal to 120 into n, abi? I'm looking for a number that can what? Divide 120. True or false? This is here. At this point now, you now take your 11 2k here equal to what? 120m plus 1. Are you there? Call this man here equation 1. Or perhaps, listen, you are done already. You are done. Equation of what? Asterisk, abi? Now what next? We said, what's the first condition? N is 1, abi? Second is what? N is k. What's the third one there? Let n what? K plus 1. For k plus 1, what's the idea? I'll have that 11 2 into k plus 1 minus 1. From here I'll have 11 2k plus 2. True or false? Minus 1. Apply your indices idea. This one can be expressed as 11 2k dot 11 to power 2. True or false? Yes. If I have like basis multiplying, add their power. Look, if I have look up indices 8 to power 5 times 8 to power 6, they are the same. Pick out one, abi? Yes. Combine them, that's what? 5 plus 6, that's 11. Apply that same thing here too. Are we there? Yes. The question? 2 times k, 2k. Plus 2 times 1 is 2. Are we there? Are we there? Next up, minus what? Minus this 1. By the way, what's the value for this? The value for this one is what? 120m plus 1. So put, let me call this one 2. So let me call this 2, let me call it 1. So put equation 1 into 2. Are we there? So I'll have, what's this one there? That's 120m plus 1. Are we there? Listen up, oh. This one should come front 11 square, abi? I can take it anyhow I want. If I say 3 times 1, is it 3, abi? 1 times 3, is it 3? So if I say this one come first, then this one is what? This value, abi? Minus what? Minus 1. From here, let's simplify this one later. We know that is equal to 11 squared is what? 121. Observe, 121, abi? Into 120m. Are you there? Plus 1 minus 1. Abi? Am I there? Wait, sorry. I'm having listen up. Huh? What do you say? Wait, I'm coming. At this point, we said this one is what? Everything here, abi? Yes. So policeman, where? Here, abi? All right. Look up. Wait. Listen. 11 squared now is this one, abi? Hang on. Listen. 11 squared is this man. Listen. This one is this, abi? Minus 1, abi? So at this point now, use 11 squared to expand this bracket. That's it. So 11 squared is 121, abi? Similarly, 121 into what? 120m plus 1, abi? Minus 1. At this point now, what do we get? Perhaps this is equal to 120 times this is what? 121 times 120 is what? 121 times 120 is what? Call it 1 for me. 520m, abi? So plus that's 121, abi? Minus 1, please. There's a minus 1 here, please. So now what do we get here? So let's put our answer here. Huh? 11 squared is what? 121. Repeat what you have in here only. Minus 1, minus 1. Now 121 times 120 m. Is this 1 m now? Plus 121 times 1 is 121 now. Then minus 1 is minus 1 here. Are we there? Let's get this done. From here now, listen up. I'll have what? 14520 m plus 121 minus 1 is what? 120. That becomes 120. Abi, this is my answer here. Now ask yourself now, can you divide this thing by 120? Is it possible to do by 120? Let's confirm. Bring out 120 into divide 120 by this one. What do you have? Divide 120 by this value. What do you have? 121 abi 121 plus what? 1 abi. It becomes what? My answer. This answer I got can be what? Divided by what? 120, which is true. Similarly, this one too can what? Divided by what? 120. That's all. That's all. That's all, please. That's all. No, okay, yes. Listen up. Put your M. Put your M. Listen up. Put your M. Put your M. Huh? Yes. What do you say? Value for M. Yes. Yes. Listen up. Yes, the tax. That M, this M now, is just telling me what's my M here. If you observe very well, 120. That's my M. Yes. Perhaps I've not gotten my 120 here already from here. So if I put M as 120 here, I will have this answer back. Now I got my 120 here already. Even I don't have to start stressing myself. My answer here is already 120. 120 back. If I put M as 120 here from that place, I'll still have this man here. 120 times this one, leave all this one. So this is how it works, please. I will send the video to the group. Brothers and sisters, some people posting it. So this is how it works, please. So let me give you one class of on this one like this to do. Then we're off.